Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best s'mores maker in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. S'more to Love STL 611 as More Maker. The S'more to Loved S'more Maker offers you a fast, easy way to make that delicious marshmallow, chocolate and graham cracker treat right in your oven, toaster oven, or on your grill. No more dirty campfires and burnt marshmallows. This innovative treat maker allows you to make 6 tasty s'mores in just minutes. Sweet creamy marshmallow, crunchy toasted graham crackers, and soft melted chocolate. Simply stack, lock and place on your grill or in your oven, and be the hit of any barbecue, picnic, or party. If you need a s'mores maker that'll feed several hungry folks at once, the S'more to Love maker stands out by enabling you to make 6 s'mores per batch. It also comes at a great price and can be reused time after time. For this s'mores maker, all you need is an oven, toaster oven, or grill, and some oven mitts. Number 4. Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. S'mores Kit with marshmallow roasting sticks and 4 trays for graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Movie night supplies. Brown. We were impressed with this s'more maker and how quickly it roasted marshmallows. The electric grill heated up in 5 to 10 minutes, and the plastic tray, which breaks apart for easy storage, was quick to assemble. Though the grill surface is smaller than other electric s'mores makers on this list, it's the perfect choice for 2 people. One tester did remark, however, that the accompanying forks were too small for comfort and felt their hands were too close to the heat source. Nevertheless, this s'mores maker produced excellent golden s'mores that we couldn't get enough of. Indoor Family Night Done Right. Number 3. Chicago Metallic S'mores Maker, White Small. Indulge in every camper's favorite treat with this charming and innovative set from Chicago Metallic. Delicious s'mores are just a few steps away. No campsite required, thanks to an efficient roasting chimney with a stainless steel fuel can and grill top. The set also includes 4 roasting sticks and a ceramic tray for ingredients. A great gift, it allows everyone to enjoy the delicious roasted treat year-round. Indoor and outdoor use. The s'mores maker can be used indoors or outdoors. No wood or campfire needed. Contained use can be used on the countertop or tabletop. 8-piece SAT. This s'mores maker includes grill top, organizing, serving tray, 4 roasting forks, burner holder, and snuffer. High-quality materials. The roasting chimney and 4-compartment serving tray are made from white ceramic, and the fuel holder and grill top are made from durable stainless steel. Number 2. Progressive Prep Solutions Microwave S'mores Maker, Brown/White. The Kitchen Appliances and Culinary Innovation Lab absolutely loved how cute, lightweight, and easy to use this s'mores maker was and agreed that it's the best choice for kids. All you have to do is fill the water reservoir, prepare 2 s'mores, and pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Each s'more featured warm chocolate and a gooey marshmallow, and we took secret pleasure in smashing the s'mores together with the maker's hands and watching each marshmallow ooze out on the sides. The main disadvantage of this s'more maker is that you miss out on the joy of actually roasting marshmallows, and you won't get a crisp exterior like you would from a fire. But this model felt super safe. It's also extremely easy to clean up as there are no electrical wires or cords to avoid. Get this all-time classic treat right out of the microwave with the Prep Solutions by Progressive Microwave S'mores Maker. Number 1. Sharper Image Electric Tabletop S'mores Maker for Indoors, 6-piece set. Includes 4 skewers and 4 serving compartments, easy cleaning and storage. Tabletop Marshmallow Roaster. Family fun for kids adults. Make s'mores enigo air. Bring your favorite campfire experience indoors to your kitchen tabletop with the Sharper Image Electric S'mores Maker. This electric marshmallow roaster kit is a safer alternative to gas or wood fires and can be used inside the house. Please note, marshmallows, crackers, and chocolate are not included. Versatile and portable. Light and compact, this set is highly portable. making it perfect for parties and special occasions indoors or outside. Easily set up the kit in seconds and create a s'more station, bar, or buffet. Everything you need. This set includes an electric range and grill cover with plug and cord, a serving tray with compartments, and 4 roasting skewers/fondue-style forks for perfectly roasted marshmallows every time.